Ah. 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 Blech. Oh. Please, a reason why this game should not be getting. And it's only limited free, so if you get it and cost money, then bad. Bad. You shouldn't get this game.